Okay, hey guys. I want to bring to you a video for replacing a turn single. Okay, I bought this online. It's used. It's used, and but I just need one for the later. I'll buy one, a newer one. But for right now, to get me out of a bind, I need to replace this right here, and I'm going to replace this old one. As you can see, I took the cover off. There's a screw right here that I'm eventually going to take, and then there's another screw right in there. That one's going to be pretty tricky. I bought a tool here so I can use it, so I can use some pliers to loosen that screw. Also, I'll have to take the steering wheel off. But and then here's the cover of that. You see, I just put it back in place, but I believe there was only two screws holding it on the bottom, and then it snapped off. Pretty much right there. And then this right here. And it just comes off. Okay, now let me try this one and see if this one fits this screw right here. Yep, it fits. So what I'm gonna do is get this right here. Oh shit, no, that ain't gonna work. Let me grab this. And I'm gonna put this in here. And see if we can loosen this baby up here. Okay. Take that off. Just set this right here. I got a little stand there already. And that's not gonna fit. So what I'm gonna do is cheat here. I'm gonna use my channel locks. I'll put this in place here, and hopefully it's a little tricky, but once you break it loose, you can do it, or you can get some vice grips. I'm just using channel locks, and what I'm doing is I'm just loosening it up with these small channel locks, and hopefully I'm gonna keep on doing it until it comes off completely. Okay, the way I took it out is I used a screwdriver to pry this out, and then somebody else was helping me hold it out like that, and then I got these needle nose, and I used the needle nose to grab it right here and pull it out. It wasn't that easy, but it came out. So, and they're still intact. So I'm gonna try this other one, which this one, we'll try this one, this other one, and let's see. I'll put the screwdriver in here. So that's out right there, and then I'm gonna use these to. Oh, it came out again. Let me do it one more time. that one came out. And that was the top part here on the top one, and I'm gonna do the other one. There. And then the last one is in here. Okay, now that one might be a bugaboo. So I'm gonna see how I can get in there, and I'll explain it to you in a little bit. Okay, what I did is I used the skinny screwdriver to pry it open, that little part right there, and then I use these needle nose to catch it and pull it. So I didn't have to take this off, but there's two screws here, and I'm assuming that it comes off, but that's the way I've taken this out with this. I just put my screwdriver right there, a skinny one, put my screwdriver right there and pushed it out a little bit, and I used my needle nose to pull it out, and it came out. Now I'm gonna see if I can put everything back together. It's the same thing as this old one here. So what I'm going to do is just snap it back in. I'll do this harder one first. I'm going to snap it in back again. We'll try at least. So there it is right there. There it is. It's snapped. Okay. Then okay, the gray one was first, right, Mondo? Let's see here. We'll snap back. This one also snap it back. Now this one was on the very top. The single lights were working already. So okay, I'm gonna put this screw back on now. I'm just gonna do it finger type for right now. Okay, maybe this one wasn't. Okay, hold on. Let me put this in here. And let's see here. Hold on. Crap, where'd it go? Oh, there it is right there. Okay, now put this one in. Okay, what I did is I turned on the truck, and then I turned the steering wheel, and I found that you could turn the steering wheel and put it more or less at a good location, a good spot where you can at least get this kind of tight. Okay, and then what I'm going to use, put this back in here. Kind of easy. Now you just got to deal with these plastic things, put it back on, and pretty much I think y'all can take care of it. There wasn't a video out there, so I made one so y'all can see. Alright, thank you.